Storm review demo and $4,197 bonus. We got Jamie Lewis, Tom E, and Conan, a blind man who makes $100 per day online. Let's get into it. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com, and you heard me right. First of all, this is my Storm review, and second of all, Conan is blind and he still managed to use this system and make $100 per day online. Okay, so there are no more excuses. If he can do it, you can do it. This software generates traffic in a very creative way. We're gonna jump into it, and I have a huge bonus to it, probably the biggest bonus to Storm out there. Again, $4,197. Let me share my screen. Let's jump into it. But first of all, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And even before I'm going to show you the sales page, let me just tell you that you're going to be generating traffic from Medium. Okay, so how Medium works, this is a place where you can publish articles, stories. Okay, so this whole system is based on this. Medium has millions and millions and millions of visitors per month. You can funnel all of this traffic out from Medium. It is free traffic, and as you can see, I'm actually super active on Medium. I'm under @ArtFlair, as you can see right here, and I have 177 published articles. Okay, so you can check it out. Medium is an amazing source. I will never tell you to do something that I'm not doing or I've never tested. This stuff works. You know, Medium is great for traffic. Now let's check out the sales page. So as you can see, the sales page says you're about to watch a blind man make $98 a day by using our softwares as his personal piggy bank. His traffic sources is insane. Okay, so again, Conan is the guy that is actually blind. He's legally blind, and he made all this money, and he continues to make this money. Okay, so scrolling down here, now the sales page is still under construction, so it will probably look a little bit different. But again, Storm, that's the name of this new software. Jamie Lewis, Tom E, and Conan. Scrolling down, two simple steps, as you can see. Big discount. We're going to talk about the pricing in a second. Obviously you're going to have a 30 days money back guarantee. Again, not much to see right now because the sales page is still under construction, but these are the key points. Let's check out the inside of the members area right now. Okay, this is how it looks like. So as you can see, we have the welcome video from Jamie right here. We have the webinar from Conan. Okay, so as you can see, this webinar is 2.5 hours. This is a webinar that Conan hosted with Jamie, and once you're gonna see it, you will understand exactly what they are doing. Okay, so obviously this is 2.5 hours. You can watch it, it's in its entirety, but you can just hit on some key points and get the feel of what they are actually doing. Okay, so that's what you're going to see on the home page. After clicking on start now, as you can see, we have affiliate redirect, which is a piece of software that will help you. Another piece of software called copy rewriter. So this is something that will help you to rewrite copy, so you don't have to write any of these articles yourself. This piece of software will help you to do it. Then we have promote custom offers, and then we have sign up for the traffic source, which is essentially signing up for Medium. Okay, so with promoting custom offers, the cool thing is that you're going to get automatic approval for an offer that pays you between $500 and $1,000. Okay, so this is automatic. You don't have to worry about what you're going to be promoting. Obviously you can promote anything you want, you know, affiliate offers, CPE offers, your own products, whatever, but this is an offer that will this is a high ticket offer. It will pay you hundreds of dollars, and you're going to get guaranteed approval on it. Okay, so if you're wondering what I'm going to do with all this traffic, these guys are actually giving you something to promote, and it's high ticket, so even one sale will make a big difference in your life. Okay, so going back here, again, what you're getting is two pieces of software, automatic approval for the offer, and you also get all the video training that is necessary. So as you can see, we have Conan's tutorial number 1, Medium Storm, Conan's tutorial number 2, number 3, custom offers, number 4, Storm redirect, that's the piece of software you're getting. How to be insanely creative, awesome email marketing tutorial. Obviously you can create a list, you can build a list off of all of this traffic, and they show you exactly what to do and how to do it. We have crypto number 1, crypto step number 1 and 2, so you can do cryptocurrencies if you want to. How to start an insane profitable agency, so you can actually build a marketing agency and get traffic off of Medium and make money this way as well. Cash grab, work ethic, flip a sale, so obviously you can even do flipping, you can do arbitrage with this method. Why you are broke, very cool video, 20 minutes, you should see this for sure. Flip a sale, so this is actually a case study follow-up of how they made money flipping. Money magnet setup, intro, business model ideas, navigation, overview, and rewriter. Okay, so guys, as you can see, extensive video training, everything you need is inside. So even if you are a total beginner, a total newbie, you can still pick this up, go through this training, use the software, get the guaranteed approval, and you will make money with this. Okay, and again, Conan is blind. He made it work. He consistently makes $100 per day with this, so there are no excuses whatsoever for you. You will make this work, and you have everything to make this work under one roof. Okay, so this is exactly what you're getting. Now let's check out all of the upsells. Okay, so Storm will be actually $17. Okay, so guys, total no-brainer. If you're gonna make just one sale with the pre-approved offer, you're gonna make like 500 bucks. So everything I just showed you is included for $17, but with that being said, $17 is just the early bird price. The price will be going up. Okay, Storm OTO number 1 for $49 is Lazy Man's Profits. Okay, so what you're getting is essentially you leave up all the complex and hard stuff. They're gonna do all of this for you, so instead of doing the actual setup work, they will do it for you. Okay, so these guys will do it for you. You're gonna be set up on Medium. They will start you by creating your first content. You also gonna get a live video, and they will actually force affiliate income into your accounts. Okay, so this is Lazy Man's Profits. Storm OTO number 2, we have Storm Double Profits, $197, and this is another software that enables you to cash in by capturing leads from all the built-in traffic. Okay, and this will include done for you follow-up emails written by Jamie and Tom for maximum conversions, and this software also integrates with autoresponders. Okay, so double the profits. Storm OTO number 3, have Storm Endless Earnings, $39, and this is something that will allow you to make even more money. Okay, so with the main Storm product, what you're getting is 20 content swipes. What you're getting right here with the Endless Earnings is 6,000 additional swipes. Okay, so you will never run out of unique content. This is what you can start uploading immediately. OTO number 4, we get Storm High Ticket Club. Okay, that's $97, and this powerful upgrades sets you up with an automatic $500 to $1,000 a pop potential commissions from an automated backend webinar. Okay, so this is fully automated for you, and you will get that for $97. And OTO number 5, that's the last OTO to Storm, partner with Jamie, $397. So what you're getting is, first of all, a lifetime access to Jamie's renowned weekly live coaching, and you're also gonna get live weekly coaching calls with Jamie. Okay, so obviously you can ask Jamie questions. You know, he will be helping you one-on-one, so that's $397, a little bit more expensive, but you know, you get to work with Jamie one-on-one, so definitely something to think about. Okay, so guys, OTOs are optional. You'll be fine with Storm alone. Again, you're getting the software, you're getting all the training, you're getting an automated approval, you're getting all of that stuff that I showed you in this video. But if you want to make your life a little bit easier, maybe with the double your profits upsell, or you know, with the high ticket club, you can definitely consider picking up one of these. Now let me show you all of the bonuses I got in store for you. Okay, well over $4,000 worth of bonuses. And let me just mention that Storm goes live at 11 AM Eastern on May 18th. If you want to get all of these bonuses, all you have to do is just pick it up from my link. You will probably pick it up anyways. Why not pick it up from my link and get all of these bonuses? Okay, so if you're watching on YouTube right now, the first link in the description will take you to my blog, and the second link in the description will take you directly to the sales page. But the second link will only start working after 11 AM Eastern on May 18th. Now, to pick it up from my link, you can click the second link in the description, or just one of these blue links from my blog. So first of all, I'm going to give you free custom made bonuses. These free custom made bonuses are made especially for this Storm promotion of mine. you're also going to get a bunch of additional flipping formulas, okay, including a flipping software. Okay, so one of the ways to monetize all of this is doing flipping or arbitrage online. I'm going to give you Flipping Magic Pro. That's a piece of software. You're also going to get Flip Me Income Booster, and a reseller's license to Flip Me, my best-selling flipping course. You're also going to get Arbitrage Sugar Daddy, make $4.97 over and over and over again, Affiliate Rebirth, Tidal Wave Traffic, Urgent Arbitrage Cash, Easy Arbitrage Profits, Blaze, Tube Traffic Avalanche, a case study on free traffic, and a huge package of additional plugins and software. Okay, so what you're getting is Affiliate Advantage plugin, giant plugin based sales page writing software, Squeeze Page Creator, TrueText, IASK, Popbox, Sales Bar, Shortcode, Call to Action, Responsive Slider, YouTube Video Gallery, Pinterest Portfolio, Post Grid, Post Widget, WordPress Courses plugin, Client Extractor, Image Grab, Viral Suite, Action Simulator, Facebook Audience Builder, Instant Publisher, Pinbook, Social Tracker, Traffic Hoover, Facebook Traffic Engine, and Facebook Photo Contest. Now, this is a total of 51 bonuses, but I am not done, because you're also getting my mega bonus. And my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus W's of the Day and Product of the Day awarded courses. Now guys, you're getting almost 100 bonuses from me, again for free, just as a thank you for picking up Storm from my link. And all you have to do is just click on one of these blue links from my blog. Again, $4,197 in real value. Okay, so what you're getting is actual custom-made bonuses, software, plugins, my own W's of the Day and Product of the Day awarded courses. So these are not some PLR crap that I found, you know, online. These are actual products you would have to spend over $4,000 to get your hands on if you would get them individually. Okay guys, as always, have a full written review. You can go through all of this as well. And let's sum up this Storm review. 3-minute setup. It runs 99% on autopilot, 100% beginner friendly. You're using Medium, which is a very underused platform with millions of visitors every single month. Same day income potential. You can scale it up fast. Free viral traffic is included, and the cool thing is that, again, Conan, a blind man, made it work, and you will definitely make it work for you because there are no excuses left. If a blind guy can do it, you can do it as well. What I don't like about Storm, the only thing I don't like is that you actually have to use Medium. Okay, so you have to focus on this traffic source, but with that being said, you know, it works, so why wouldn't you? So this was my Storm review for you guys, and before you go, let me just tell you again that it goes live at 11 AM Eastern on May 18th. Let me show you how to claim my bonus after you pick it up through my link. Okay, all you have to do is go to your Warrior Plus purchase history, so click on your icon with your name right here in the top right corner, go to purchase history, find Storm amongst your purchases, then click on the product, and then below the button that says access your purchase, you should see another button saying bonuses from Art. That's how you get my bonus. You don't have to send me emails or receipts. It's all done for you automatically. And again, I really like this product because it's free traffic, it's software, extensive video training, it works. For a blind man, it will work for you. 11 AM Eastern on May 18th is when Storm goes live. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment. Please like this video on YouTube. Please subscribe to this channel for more review videos just like this one. And I'll be seeing you very shortly in the next review video. Ciao!